Hey everyone, I'm going to try this again. This hasn't been easy to do. I'm going to demonstrate how powerful the Striker Series 7-watt laser is. I've been telling people that, people show videos of burning cardboard and wood and popping balloons. This laser is actually hot enough. You adjust the focus, it'll actually melt metal solder. You can see I got some solder wire right there. And I'm using a magnifying glass so that you guys can see the demo a little bit better. But I'm going to turn this thing on and see if I can get this to work. It's not easy, like I said, trying to look through two different viewfinders. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and turn that thing on first. Let's get in here so you can actually see the video. All right, can y'all see? Let me put it right there. There we go. See if y'all can see what's going on there. All right, so it's starting to do a little bit of smoking there. Okay, let's see what happens here. I'm going to try to hold this phone steady as I adjust the laser itself here. Okay. I'm not sure if y'all are seeing anything yet. You can just see it just melted the top of that piece. It just cut that wire right in half right there. There we go. Oops, sorry. Like I said, I'm trying to look through two different viewfinders. This is definitely a hard shot right here. Uh-oh, there we go. See if y'all can see that now, maybe. Get right on that metal wire. You have to forgive me in my camera angles and the clarity, but this is not easy to do while holding a phone and trying to keep that laser. Problem is, I'm trying to keep it from setting other things on fire in the room. Got to keep an eye on it. There we go. So trying to sharpen up that view a little bit there. There we go. Not sure if you're able to see that. It already cut that wire right in half. There it goes. Just cut another piece off. There we go. I have to check the video later to see if y'all are able to even see any of this or not. Hopefully you are. Okay, come on a little bit more. Can I get that angle a little bit better right here? Here we go. Yeah, it clearly has melted and just gotten rid of most of that wire right there. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in the magnifying glass so y'all can see this. It's not easy at all, though. Let's see, there we go. There we go. See if you can see any more of that or not. It's cutting, melting a little bit more there. The laser itself is getting very hot, so I'm going to have to shut it off so it doesn't overheat. But it's putting out a lot of energy to be melting that wire like that, you know. See, I'm not sure how much we're seeing on there, but it is. And then I'll do turn the laser off, and I'll show you the damage it's done. Okay, let's just turn it off now, and we're going to zoom in and see if y'all can see what it has done already. Oops, move that laser out of the way. It's pretty hot right now. I'm not sure if y'all are able to see that. Let's see. There we go. You can clearly see that wire's all melted. So yeah, this laser's, it's hot enough you can actually melt solder. I've actually used it to solder some projects together, but that's pretty impressive for, it's the world's most powerful handheld laser. So that's, you can see that is not a toy by no means right there, based on the damage it did to that solder. It melted it all up right there. So, all right, well, I'll try to do a better demo next time, get some better holders. All right, talk to y'all later.